In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a talking avatar with AI in Magnific AI Mobile. We'll start right inside the app. Open Magnific AI on your phone, and on the bottom bar, look for AI Suite. Tap it to enter the creative tools. From there, choose Generate Video to open the video generator where we'll build your avatar. Now you have a few ways to set up the concept. If you want instant inspiration, tap Random Prompt and the app will fill in an idea for you. Prefer full control? Type your own prompt, describing the character, style, and vibe you want. If you like working with presets, tap Create from Templates, browse the options, pick one that matches your goal, and select it to load its settings. Next, add a start frame and an end frame. Think of these as the opening and closing looks of your video, which help guide the motion and keep the avatar consistent from first to last moment. Keeping these two frames aligned in style usually produces smoother results. Before generating, tap the settings icon. Here you can change the mode, adjust the clip length, choose the resolution, and decide whether you want sound enabled. For a true talking avatar experience, make sure sound is on. Shorter clips render faster, while higher resolutions look sharper but may take longer to process. When everything looks good, tap Generate. A loading screen will appear while the app creates your video. This can take a little time depending on length and resolution, so it's normal to wait. To review your finished result, navigate back and tap Work on the bottom bar. Your generated video will appear in your workspace for playback. Watch it through, note what you like, and if you want tweaks, return to your prompt or settings and try another pass. That's all you need to create a talking avatar in Magnific AI Mobile.